Hey, what's up everyone? Sagar here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make use of Groww Python MCP server to connect it with your Claude desktop app. Now, after you connect it, you can make use of it like this. You can ask questions about your holdings, about your, portfolio. You can buy stocks, you can sell stocks. You can basically do anything that you can using the Groww Python official SDK. So yeah, it's just a little bit of what do I say? Step-by-step commands that I'm gonna go through. The step one that you're gonna do is git clone my repository. So I have this repository that you must have received. So you just need to open it up, and once you open it, you will see something like this. Now there are two ways to do it. Either you can directly git clone it, or if you do not have git with you, you can instead click this code button and download the zip file. See, I've downloaded it as a zip file and I've extracted it. Now you can just go inside the code, and after you're there, you need to open it in a terminal. Now once you're inside the terminal, let us see the next step. You're gonna install the UV Python package manager. So if you do not have UV with you, so UV is a very powerful Python package manager, then you can go to this link and download and install it. So for Windows, you can just copy paste this command in your PowerShell, or for Mac or Linux, you can follow these, just copy paste this curl inside your terminal. So after that, you can check your UV. So I can see that I have UV with me, so I have this UV, this version. Now next, you're gonna go in this URL. So this is the Groww official Groww API, basically you can say URL. Here you can get your API key. So I just created my API key. I'm gonna delete this again. So let me just delete it. Confirm. So let me generate an API key. I'm just gonna type it as test. So I'll delete it by tomorrow, so don't worry about it. So you have the API key. Copy that API key and save this in your env file. So let me just do one thing. Let me open it in my VS Code. Okay, so it opens up like this. Now you can see that I have a .env.example file. Okay, so just rename this file as .env only. Just rename it like this. So this is all you need to do, and inside the Groww API, just paste your Groww API that you have just received. Okay, I have pasted it over here. Now next, after that, you have the secret key as well below it. Just copy this thing. After copying, just paste it over here like this. Done. Now you can save it. After saving, you can come back to the terminal, or you can even open the terminal in the VS Code itself. Just do run uv run first uv sync. So uv sync command will download all the necessary packages for you. It might take some time, so just hang on. Done. UV sync has finished. I'm just gonna type the next command that we have. It is gonna be uv run main.py. uv run main.py. Okay, so let's just run this. Done. Now you can see that there is a server running in port 8000. Awesome. Now the next step that you do is you need to download Claude desktop. So Claude desktop, once you download it, you have it like this. So let's just open the Claude desktop. So this is a very famous LLM provider, basically Claude. Everybody knows about it. It's famous for coding. And just once you open the Claude, click on this profile button over here and click the settings, and it should open up something like this. Go to developer, and over here type edit config. Now this will open a new directory. You can see this file, right? So just open this file. You can open it using anything. I'm opening it using my VS Code. Now what you will do is you will copy paste this whole thing and paste it over here like this, and give a comma like this. Okay, so I just pasted it over here like this, and see, so it will look something like this. Understood? Now let us exit the Claude. You need to go over here and click the quit button. I have saved this file. Now I just need to open the Claude again. See, we are open in Claude. Now you can check in your settings if everything is working fine or not. And just so letting you know that server we have not cut it. Okay, the terminal is open, the server is running. Now let's go to developers and we can see that it is running in fact. So let's go to the new chat and let's start using it. Let me close this. Let's click the plus button and we can see connectors, and inside the connectors you should see your Groww MCP. Make sure it is turned on. Now let's just say how many tools you have from Groww MCP. Now every time it wants to call some tool, it will ask you for permissions. So let's start with a simple tool. Let's see my profile. I want to see all my positions and let me know what positions are not good to have. See, yeah, see, it is now going to Claude wants to use this. So just press enter, or you can also press click here. So it will allow the Claude to make use of the tool. So for every tool it will ask for permission. So it's the one tool. We have in total 18 tools. See, it's getting all the positions. You can see the request as well, what request it's asking for and what response it has received. It has received 0 in this, and it has received some response in this. So it shows that what positions we have. It looks like you have no open positions. See, I have no open positions. That's true. What holdings do I have? So positions probably means like have order that I have ordered something, but holdings is something like I already hold, like I have already bought it. So now it's gonna fetch those things. Okay, it's showing something like this. You have invested this amount on this stocks. By the way, this is my friend's account, just so letting you know. Yes, so all these positions, it shows how much profit you're making and everything. So it has all the data you need. You can even buy stock from here itself. What stocks do you want to buy, you can just type it over here, and the agent has the tools access for that. So that's how you set up the Grow Python MCP server in your Claude desktop app. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm always willing to answer. Yeah, thank you so much